fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What we finna do here?
Rewire the grass.
Talk loud, you quiet talking about it.
Oh, rewire the grass.
Because every time I go, it's either flickering or not on at all. And when you're having that problem, you bring your shit to an electrician and let him fix it. Because I done fixed it once and it lasted about a day, so.
Some stupid crap.
We'll let it fix it right now. It's old.
Ooh.
I hope you didn't do nothing bad there.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it more. That's all.
Don't get in that transducer shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all green and nasty ground is.
Okay.
And you didn't, that's a shield. It don't matter.
I mean, I ain't got nowhere to ground on this boat.
Hang on. We can redo all this.
They said we finna redo all of it.
That's,
We finna get rid of the junk.
yeah.
Okay. That's fine with me.
I think because you got plenty of
Yeah, I don't need much wire. You could actually cut it to where it was 6 or 8 inches long, but I wouldn't want to do that in case I moved it to some kind of other boat, you know what I mean? Alright, we'll bring you back when we get it all back together and tell you all the excitement it took to fix
Yeah,
it.
I can't believe it worked.
We may put you on time lapse when we're working on it. This is the part of why I let him do shit. Because it's still not working, and we've been trying some crazy shit to see if it's a low voltage or if the grass went bad. Can't believe you don't have like just some jumpers or something.
I do. I don't know where they're at.
Your hands cold? Oh yeah, while we're doing all this, it's about 35 degrees and raining. Get it off. Hey, drop what? So you can't feel his fucking fingers. I can't feel my ears.
I can't feel my right hand anyway.
Well, he's old, he can't feel his hands anymore. They skinned that monkey to me, John. Alright, cover your eyes, boys and girls. There might be some sparks. Welding on the kayak. inverted in, the connections in.
That'll be plenty. That's a bit.
Alright, lockers, that was kind of real life shit right there. Didn't fix it. I'm gonna go home and charge the battery. See if that'll fix it. I'll let y'all know in a future video when I'm on the water if that fixes it or not. If not, we might be buying new grass for the kayak. I mean, they're not expensive. It's not like I'm finna put forward-facing sonar on this bastard. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. That's how you do it, though. I mean, it's easy when you got all the tools and a little know-how. Now look at what Buck bought me today. That's a hell of a buddy right there, ain't it? Okay, he charged me $5 more because he went and picked it up. But anyway, if y'all made it this far in this little short, cringy ass video with the water spots on the screen, like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.